Here I have my phone Hammer Energy, and let me show you how to enable and how to use battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you how to quickly switch on battery saver. Let's use upper bar twice. Let's choose on the battery icon right here. Here you've got the battery usage, but you can also activate the battery saver right here. So right now battery saver is activated, as you can see. Now let me show you how to find the settings with battery saver. So let's find and select the list of settings, scroll down, and right here under device tab, let's choose battery. Here we've got some other stuff. For example, you can show the battery percentage if you would like to right here, and you may also choose more key in order to choose the battery optimization. You can also choose and disable the standby intelligent power saving right here, and tap battery saver to switch on battery saver. You can also read how the battery saver works. For example, the battery saver reduces some devices performance, limits vibrations, location services, and most background data. You can also choose some automatic rule to turn on, for example, battery saver when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.